Hello, I'm Jonathan from the Salty company, and today I will show you how to use the assembly option on your same software. So the aim of this option is to create a new product with an assembly of some other product. So in the example, we will use a simple example as cocktail. So we will do a cocktail with the combination of other product. So to begin, you go in the assembly tools. As you can see, we already have Margarita as an assembly, but we will create a new one. So for that, you go new. We'll do Morito, so we select the reference of the Morito, and then I can add my product. So first I will put juice, lime juice. This is centiliter, so I will put 30 centiliter. I had. Then I will put sugar, cane sugar. This is in gram, so we'll put 40 gram. I had. There you can see we put the quantity of 30 in centiliter for the lime juice and 40 grams in the unit column for the cane sugar. Then I will add sparkling water, so again the family water, and I select sparkling water. This is in a liter. I would put 1 liter, it's okay. And to finish different the rum, I will add the rum. It's in centiliter, so I will put a half liter. I had. So there I have all my product I need to do my Morito. So I do my composition. We can save it. If I refresh, I see that I have a new composition, so the Morito, for a quantity of 0, because for the moment we just create the composition, but we not use it. As we see in the product sheet, we have the Morito there with a quantity of 0, with the unit in liter, with lots, with expiration date for the food, for example. So let's create this Morito. I select line, I click on create. He asks me about the lot, but we don't have one there. Say okay for my 4 product. And now he will ask me to create a lot for the Morito with an expiration date. So I will give him a name. So first the name of the lot will be first Morito, G Morito, and I can select an expiration date, so in 1 month, for example. Okay, I had. So we see we have a quantity of 1 of first Morito for an expiration date in 1 month. Okay. The software told me that it creates one assembly of the 9020 with the Morito. I say okay. And now if you want to check, we have 1 in quantity for the Morito. The other product have been consumed for what we used. And if we go in the logbook, we say we create a composition. So we have a new quantity of 1 for the Morito. We'll consume a half liter of rum, a liter of sparkling water, 40 grams of cane sugar, and 30 centiliter of lime juice. So if you're interested by this option, please feel free to call us or to send us a mail. Thanks for your attention. Have a good day.